Hey guys, what's up? It's BNC, and today I'm going to be showing you a very helpful website. This is to get you. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. Please just try to block it out. It's country music. My mom likes country music. She went in her bedroom. I was too lazy to turn it off. Um, but yeah, okay. Um, okay, amazing website, PhoneZoo. So this gives you ringtones for free. You can search them. You can search for them. And yeah, they have a lot. They actually have a lot. They might have some that you've heard around, and then um, you can figure out what it is. Just kind of search basically what it sounds like, and they do kind of name those a lot. And there's a lot of repeats on here that people found, so they named them like that. So it's actually pretty helpful. But you can create your own and create photos. So the photos I'll talk about later. Those you can make for your background on your phone. But for now, for right now, I'm just gonna search one Mario Death tune. Let's see if it shows that. Nope, not the right one. Nope. Yes, that's the one I want. Okay, so the one that goes didn't. Okay, there you go. Um. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's the one I want. So, sorry about that, but yeah, that's the one I want. So, some black guy just. Oh man. Oh, okay. Okay. So if you're black and you're viewing this, you might as well just leave right now because I just offended you. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to my phone. Alright, and it has already sent, but you're going to have to log in and go through all your account registration and stuff. It'll ask you for what company you're on, what phone you have, and I actually have the original MV. It's a used phone, but I got it for Christmas. It's pretty cool. So, I'm receiving the message now, and yep, there's my text tone. Very annoying. I'm going to change it to the Mario tone. That's why I wanted it. So, I'm going to view now. As you can see right there, very short, very clean, very nice. Alright, so we're gonna go to my options here really fast. Save as ringtone, save. And right after you save it on my phone, it asks you if you want to set it as ringtone. And I just closed out of that for some reason. So I'll have to go back into that later. But I'll set that for my text tone so that it's nice, short, sweet. But alright, so now that you know how to search and find ringtones. Now you're going to need to learn how to make one on your own. So go to the home page and click Create Ringtone. And it's as simple as clicking Browse, clicking the file you want. Just always check this if you're doing a song. It doesn't matter. You can use as many songs as you want, but the max you can have is 30 seconds. But yeah, what you're going to be doing is basically creating little ringtone out of a part of a song you want. So, that's really loud, so I'm gonna turn that down. But, yeah, so, what's, around here? I don't know. So tell me what you want to hear, or no, what you want from me. Nope. Bit back. Tell me what you want. Ugh. Wow, I am just mixed. I cannot like try and say parts of a song while I'm listening to the song, or else it just sounds different, and then I get all mumbled jumbled. So I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, let's say I just want this part right here, and then I would close this up to where he gets done singing that part that's louder. But and then you can turn the volume all the way up and just click save and send to my phone. It'll take about 2 minutes to upload, and then it'll send it to your phone right away. You should get a text within about 30 seconds after that. And then you just save it as a ringtone. So, again, it's not that hard to figure out. All you have to do is sign up. It's free, absolutely free. Just sign up, and then what happens is is it asks you for your phone, the detail on your phone, what company you're on, and everything to make sure if you can even do this. So if your phone's not in the list somewhere, then you can't do this. I'm sorry, but they have a lot of phone selections. So if you have a popular phone, it's going to be on here. So um, thanks guys for watching. Just a nice tutorial. I haven't gotten one out in a while. I got this mic for Christmas. I think I said that before. I don't know, but yeah. I'll see you guys later. All right. Bye.